I warmly invite you to. Verse of the day, Psalm. When I lie down, I fall asleep peacefully, because only you, Lord, allow me to dwell in safety. From the depths of my heart, thank you for being here. This is not just a channel. It is a place where I hope every soul can feel the nearness of God. Life is not always easy, we all carry our burdens. But remember this, God will never leave you. The Lord is our way, our truth, and our life. Trust Him completely. He knows your path better than anyone ever could. May His blessing rest upon you each day, and may His love fill your heart, for you are priceless to Him. I invite you, with all my heart, to open the Bible for yourself. Step into its pages, and let God's voice speak to you every single day. May this verse fill your heart with peace and hope. Remember, God is always with you. If this word touched you, share it with someone close to you. See you in the next episode. May the Lord bless you.